Hello everyone, welcome to the second part of the Amiga 500 restoration video, and in this part we clean and check the disk drive. The internal disk drive, it's a little bit rusty and is a little bit dusty, and it worked not so well. So let's check out and make it work. So here we are. Let's open this up and look what's inside. There are two screws on the side and one on the top. And you can see it's very dirty. There are some capacitors there, but they are looking good. So oh yeah. So look at this. Very dirty. Now we remove the old lubricant there. Also, now we clean the read-write heads. Some IPA. lift the upper head a little bit up and very carefully clean the upper and the lower head. There is some dirt on it. A little bit dusty on the sides. And now we use some silicone grease and lubricant the moving parts. And here in the front are some switches to detect the disc if the right protection is on or not. We make some contact cleaner inside. So, and we take disc to move the drive. The lubricant can work. So, and now we can make the first test. So it's all plugged in, and now do the test. And you see, It's working! So the drive is clean and it's fully working, and now we're reassembling this one. So, put it in this. Screws in. Now, turn off the glass. Stop. Finish. The floppy drive is ready. So now it's time for retrobrighting. And for a retrobrighting case, you need foil, hydrogen peroxide. I use green peroxide, a brush, and a knife. That's all. Now it's all wrapped up, and while it's rainy and no sun outside, I use a UV light box. It's a box with foil, with aluminium foil. Inside there you put it in. And then you put some UV light on it. So a little bit time is gone. Now let's see. It gets brighter every 90 minutes. You should massage the cream in the plastic so that you get no streaking on the plastic. And now, waiting. After 6 hours the retrobrighting was done, and then I wrapped it out and cleaned it up, let it dry, and that's the result. It's almost new. It's the inside and that's the outside. It's totally even, no streaks, no stripes, everything's good. So that's all for part 2 of the series. In part 3 we reassemble the machine, cleaning the RAM expansion and testing the RAM expansion, testing the keyboard, and making some mods. And so that's it. I hope you like it. Then give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe, and I see you in the next video. Bye.